Hey there, I heard you can make delicious food. Have you ever thought of changing your cooking skills into a business? Well, worry no more, 'cause today I will be teaching you all how to become a food panda home chef. It is super simple, because when you start a food business, you need the right place, you need writers, a proper team, etc. But through this app, you don't need to worry about any of these things. The only thing you need to do is to cook the food. Everything else, including riders and managing money, will be done by the app itself. You can stay in the comfort of your house and still have a business. You just need to register yourself, cook the food, the rider will pick up the food, and that's how you'll get paid. So, what are we learning today? Today, I shall teach you how to register yourself onto the app. Now, this could be a great opportunity for women who want a stay-at-home business. And also for the people who already have a business. Maybe you have a running business. In both cases, you can still be registered onto the app. So it is not necessary that you are a home chef. You can also register your restaurant. Now, let's learn all the steps to follow. Step number 1, download the app named Food Panda. Then you need to sign up if you don't already have an account. Step number 2 is to open the form and type all the data that they need about your business. You need to answer all the questions that they require. What are those questions? I will list down. What's your business type? Restaurant, home chef, grocery, pharmacy, etc. You can pick any of the options. If you are home chef, click on that. What is the name of your business? There are a lot of names you can pick from, or you can even name it after your own name. Next question is your city. Islamabad, Karachi, Rawalpindi, whatever the city, you can put it there. What is the exact address of your business? If you are a home chef, you can put in your home address. What is your phone number, your full name, and email? Lastly, add your current menu with prices. For example, if you sell rice, put that in your menu along with its price. Understood? I have taken screenshots to show you guys how the form looks. Just like that, you can put all the necessary information and send it. After you have sent this form, within 10 to 15 days, you will get a personal from the Food Panda team. In the personal call, they will ask some questions that you may need to answer. If your form is not being sent, try sending it in the morning around 6 p.m. Now let's look at some of the questions they may ask over the personal call. Okay, so the first thing that is done over the call is the confirmation of your menu. You are going to write it on a piece of paper and send a clear picture to the Foodpanda owner. Should look something like item name, biryani, price, 100 rupees. Amount of people it serves, 1. Just like this, you can list many other items. Okay, next thing they ask is a picture of a blank bank check. Make sure it is not filled. This is where they will send you money. They will ask for 2 of your active mobile phone numbers so that in case one of them is off, they can contact the other. Then they need your complete address. Type your complete address and also try going to Google Map. Click on current location, copy the code address, and send them. They also ask for your operating times as to what is the opening and closing of your restaurant. Require a minimum 4 hours to stay open. Remember, if you feel unwell to work, you can close your restaurant for a day or two. Also, if you run out of a product, you can turn off the product before starting your workday. They also require pictures of your kitchen as to where you are cooking the food. And where you will be cleaning the dishes. They also ask for your phone model, your packaging material, and how many products you can provide in the beginning. Note: start with making less product, not too much. Also have less products. You can even start with one product in the beginning. Next thing is the timing, which is very important. Make sure your product will be prepared within 20 to 25 minutes, not more than that. Now I will teach you guys about the 3 types of charges you will be charged. Because the company will also make some profit from your business. So what are these 3 types of charges? Let's learn. Food Panda pays you weekly and takes 40% of your payment. That way, you will get 60% of the money. So again, 40% of your sales go to Food Panda, and 60% you get to keep. So for example, a plate of biryani is for 100 rupees. Food Panda takes 40 rupees and you get 60 rupees. Next, they charge 1.6% as transaction fees. Lastly, they also charge 400 rupees per month as a listing fee on Food Panda's website. So if you are not selling your products and are not being productive, you will still have to pay all these charges, and your business will be in loss. So let's imagine that, including the work you put in to make a plate of biryani, the packaging, the material, all cost you a price of 100 rupees. Don't charge 100 rupees. In that case, you should add the above-mentioned charges. In that way, charge 143 rupees for the plate of biryani. That way, 43 will be enough for the charges, and you can get back you 100 rupees. So again, you must make sure that your product makes enough money to pay for material, the company, and to give you a profit. For example, if your biryani cost you 100 rupees, including material, effort, and packaging, try tell Food Panda the price to be 143 rupees. Once you have gone through all the confirmations, it's time for you to build your profile. Here are some tips to keep in mind. 1. Post eye-catching photos of your food. That way, people will be attracted by your profile. Have reasonable pricing. Make sure it is enough for you to make a profit. But also, it is reasonable for the costumes as well. Charge a normal amount. Prepare your food on time. Make sure you are not too late. If you deliver food early, people will prefer your food. And lastly, make clean and appetizing food. If a customer gets sick of your food, they may complain about you. So make sure you make clean food. With that, I wish you best of luck, and I hope you achieve all your goals. Don't stress too much and bring in a little bit of motivation into your work. That is the way of success. Thank you for watching. Bye.